properly. And if you are able to get it, you are done with everything. I am sure the Santiniketan makes you all wonderful receivers so that you can get good things always and will be able to use them on all occasions. Today you are here in the Santiniketan and definitely you reach many places in the world in your future. And then this foundation will be useful to you. If the foundation is strong, you can construct a building, a multi-storied building on the foundation. The foundation here, our Purushottam Rao Garu and your chairperson, Sagarji, are aspiring for, and our building also is very, very strong. You can construct, any number of stories like 100 or 200 or 300 stories. We offer our Mangala Sasanams to you all to become good human beings. All that we expect is be a good human being, ever loved by all. Did you know about Rama? Do you have any idea about Rama? Who was he? Rama was a man. Who was Rama? But he was a real man. He was a real man with a wonderful goal. And his goal was always serving others. When he was in his kingdom, he served his people. When he was in the forest, then he served the sages in the forest. When there are birds in need, he served them. When there are monkeys in need, he served them. When there are demons in need, he served them too. As a result of his service, all they stood for him. Rama was only one person who went to Lanka and he fought with a very powerful Ravana. Who helped him? Monkeys. Only monkeys. Because all those monkeys loved Rama so much and they were ready to give away their life also for Rama. Do you know why? It's because Rama was always thinking to serve them and did wonderful service to them. He gave back their own kingdom, made Sugriva the king of them, eliminated the evil powers from their kingdom like Vali and others. Remember, wherever we are, wherever we will be in future, understand and identify the requirements, start serving. When you serve, irrespective of what they are and who they are, you receive great love from them. When you serve, they love you. They start serving you too. You only one. When you are serving 3 people, you receive 3 types of services for you. And if you serve 10 people, 10 people will be standing for you always. And remember that, my children. You are getting wonderful training here in your school, not only in academics, but also in sports and extracurricular activities. We are very happy for that, and we offer Mangala Sasanams to all the teachers and non-teaching staff of this Shantiniketan for taking care of you in making you good human beings, good people, good students. As long as you are here, keep acquiring the things, keep gaining the knowledge, keep strengthening the knowledge which is with you, and grow big. And then keep the goal very much fixed. Service. Wherever you are, start doing something. Whenever it's possible, do some kind of service. And thus get good respect from all corners of this world. Our Mangala Sasanams to Sriman Purushottam Rao, he is the power behind all these people, and now he is very much in promoting good education, not only here but in many other places also. Our Mangala Sasanams to him to go forward in his journey so that many children will be benefited in their life goals. Our Mangala Sasanams once again to all the children who gave wonderful performances here, and also the children who are going to appear for 10th class examinations to successfully come out of the examinations with good accolades. God bless you all, and let there be strength and courage, and let there be the grace of God with you all. Jai Srimanarayana.
Excuse me, light now.
May I now request our director, Professor P. Purushottam Rao, to address the gathering.
Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana.
with the
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ స్పీచ్ ది
human being, a man, but doing human service for the humankind, to his credit for everything selfless, only for the well-being of the society. That is for the Loka Kalyanam, he is doing all the things, health and educational, social and so many services he is doing it. Swamiji also told that I am doing not only here in other places also the educational services. It's all with the blessings of Swamiji and with the Swamiji's organization I am doing it. Under his guidance, Jiva Gurukulam, Netra Vidyalaya Blind Junior College, Degree College and also the tribal schools, all of them under Swamiji's guidance. I am only just performing some of the functions there. This is what Swamiji has mentioned. Not only that, and university and other places also I have been working. Now a new era has started in Shantiniketan. Lot of improvements in physical improvements and also the educational improvements with the foundation laid by our founder principal and her husband Mrs. Neena Nanda and Colonel Nanda. With our management, we have really established a culture in the institution. Same culture is continuing without disturbing the core culture. They are going ahead with the expansion and other things. We are very much grateful for Swamiji's blessings because it is one we always feel and really truly and sincerely feel that is his institution. And today Swamiji is kind enough to lay foundation stone for the new office premises next to the security, behind the security room, so that parents will have a very good lobby, a little bit of fresh rooms and also the good the lounge and other things to enjoy with their children without disturbing the academy. And secondly, to have a good facilities for the higher caste children. Next year we have also Swamiji has laid foundation for new hostel building. With his blessings and Mangala Sastrams of His Holiness, definitely they will come up very soon with very good facilities. These are all the things we are doing with the blessings of Swamiji. Particularly I am very fortunate, and my family and the Shantiniketan managing committee, we are all sincerely the followers of Swamiji. Under his direction we are doing, and Swamiji has taken a new big project, Sri Ramanuja Sahasrabdi, 1000 years of Ramanuja's era, 2016 and 17. With the permission of Swamiji, I will tell two sentences about that particular project for the parents and the invitees. 108 feet statue in Sri Ram Nagar, Swamiji's ashram, Shamshabad. We are going to construct it, and very big the international place of tourism and also research and Ramanuja Parampara Swamiji has taught, and already the brochures and other things are going to come, and we will be also coming to you with the proposals. Swamiji idea is each and everybody can contribute that particular project. Students, teachers, businessmen, employees and all walks of life, by contributing their 1 month salary towards that and other services who are not able to do it. Businessmen also, their 1 month's total 12 months divided, the total income divided by 12, 1 month, one part of that can be also contributed. It will go a long way. So it is my appeal to all the parents and guests who are gathered here, do your mind and it will go a very long way. Each and every one drop will make the ocean. Like that, each 5, 10 rupees, 10 lakhs, 10 crores will make that project a very big. So something other, like to our children are contributing their newspaper money. 50% they are contributing, but I am assuring Swamiji next year 100% newspaper money will be given to Ramanuja sir. Do you agree, students?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. Without your consent, I have told Swamiji, we will definitely do it next time. Parents also, next to Swamiji's visit, they will come with proposal, Swamiji, and we will try our best to do our best from our institution, from Shantiniketan family, and we are also going to have the former Shantiniketan Students Alumni Association. In that also association also we will move this idea with your permission, and they are settled in different fields. they can also come forward with that. Definitely through the Alumni Association, we would like to do our best. As you have suggested, we are trying to lay good and better, and with your blessings, the best and very, very strong foundation for the students. That's the reason why students, when they go, they are not realizing when they are here. When they go out, they are saying, Shantiniketan is the best. They are very happy and comfortable here. All of you also feel like that. We are really grateful to the parents and the students who have studied here. It's already late. Swamiji also has to go. Night 1 o'clock he came to Yadagirigutta. Now here he is here. Tomorrow, day after, we are Jim's Hospital. Last few words. Hospital was started by Swamiji with allopathy, homeopathy and Ayurvedic. It's almost a free hospital. Only 30 rupees registration, and it is celebrating first birthday day after tomorrow on 14th, 15th and 16th. A mega health camp is being organized, and so many lakhs and crores of worth of the medicines and doctors from various fields, all specialities, from Apollo, Yashoda, from Chelmada Anandarao College, from Karimnagar, one Sri Sai Dental College, Vikarabad, like that. So many organizations and so many pharma companies have come forward to donate the medicines. Doctors have come forward. Maxivision, one famous eye hospitals, Dr. Prasad Reddy, they have all come, going to come day after tomorrow. For 3 days they are staying in the Swamiji's campus and rendering the great service. You can also suggest some people who are there, chronic patients and who need some medical services, who cannot afford the regular medical bills and other things. They can come and they can have the checkup. 3 days mega event is there. Tomorrow we'll also today display on the notice board the information and invitation card. It's a open invitation from GR institutions and also particularly from Jim's Hospital for all of you. Thank you so much for your time and patience. In future also we'll look forward, but next year definitely we expect a little bit more support for that biggest project. Never we have asked any. Without that also you are doing. When we ask, definitely with the Swamiji's blessings, you all will come forward. From Shantiniketan family, we will try to do our best. I am assuring on behalf of all of you. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Once again, we profusely thank Swamiji for all the blessings and help and time, for everything that he has given to us. Thank you one and all. Jai Sriman Narayana.